students. Today we will learn about Wonders of Word 2000. That is your chapter 3. Already in previous class we have learned about Word, but today we will understand some more features. First of all, open Word. As you all know how to open Word. Click on Start button and then Word. Now this is your start screen. Click on Blank Document. Now first we understood about the features of find and replace. On the home tab in the editing group, there is the first option is there, find. Click on find. The navigation pane opens on the left side of the document window. When I'm writing here orange, in the text box at the top of the navigation pane, see it finds the orange and also it's highlight in the yellow color. You can see here it's highlight in the yellow color. Now click the result and click on close. Again, there is one more option in the editing group, replace. Now I want to replace orange with mango. Replace. Now you can see here I have replaced orange with mango. Next is your alignment. See in the paragraph group, the home tab paragraph group, there are 4 alignments: left, center, right and justify. If I click on left alignment, what happens? Left align to align text with the left margin. And when I click on center, center to align text in the center of the left and right margin. When I click on right, it aligns text in the right margin. And when I click on justify, to align text with both left and right margin. Next is your line spacing. See, select your text in the paragraph group. One more button is there, line and paragraph spacing. Click on there. See, when I point mouse pointer is on 1.0, then 1.15, 1.5, 1.0, you can see the changes. Can you see the space between the line and the paragraph? See the space between the line. Next is your column. In the layout tab, page setup group, there is one option, that is column button. When I click on column button, a list appears. Now first of all, what I will going to increase the font size of my paragraph. See, I have increased my font size. Now go to page layout, click on column. Now if I want uh, divide it into 2 columns, then I will click on 2. See, my paragraph is divided into 2 columns. Now if I want to divide it into 3 columns, so I'm going to click 3. My paragraph text is divided into 3 columns. See, I click on 1, my paragraph comes in that position in the simple page. Next is your page margin. In the page layout, there is one more button, that is page margin. click the desired margin setting, it applies the new margin setting to the page. Whatever margin you take, the change. You see the changes. Next is your page orientation. Again, in the page layout tab, on page setup group, there is one more button, that is orientation. Click either on portrait, which displays the page vertically and the document is pointed lengthwise. When I click on portrait, it shows in the length. And when I click landscape, see what happens. It displays the page horizontally and the document is printed widthwise on portrait. Next is your page background. Now in design tab, page background is there. There are two buttons, page color and page border. Click on page color. A menu appears which displays swatches of various colors. Whatever color you want to choose, you can choose. You can again go to design tab. There is one more option, that is page border. Click on page border. Whatever you want to choose the style from here, you can choose on. One more thing is there in the page border. There is art. Can you see the art? Click on the arrow or drop down appears. From here, whatever you want to choose your art and then click on OK. Now you can see your border. Right? Oh, so try this.